price of Identity stock? Well, it was because of the uncovering of a patent by King Solomon back in 2019, highlighting the use of the XRP ledger. And it wasn't just a ledger, it was also the digital asset XRP. Today, the company Identity filed a patent infringement against the JP Morgan Chase company, claiming Onyx, which uses the JPM coin, infringes on this patent. Identity is one of my Patreons, so I feel that I'll probably be on top of this story pretty good. The company Identity is one of my Patreons, so I think I'm going to be able to stay up on this story pretty good. News coming out that the SEC Enforcement Director, Grewal, is now a target of a corruption probe. Yes, the Senate GOP seeks subpoena power to probe the ties between Menendez and Grewal. It's not looking good for Grewal because, well, look at it here. The federal prosecutors claim that Menendez contacted Grewal in January 2019 to influence the prosecution of Jose Uribe, a businessman, allegedly in exchange for purchasing a $60,000 Mercedes convertible for the senator's wife, Nadine. Yes, today Ripple did receive their big payments license in Singapore, but so did Sygnum Bank. Sygnum revealed that they have 3.5 billion assets under management. So why does this matter? Well, SBI invested 8 figures into this Swiss Singapore bank. And this bank is all about institutional investors. And yes, XRP is one of the crypto assets that they offer. There are 16 Swiss banks and international financial institutions that utilize this platform. Institutional lockup of digital assets is one of the biggest impacts on circulating supply. And as you know, it's all about supply and demand.
Okay, YouTube. This is Black Tiger Miner coming back at you on this Thursday, which is Friday Eve. And we're shouting out the XRP army. From the video we just watched, the XRP is starting a lawsuit against JP Morgan Chase, which is going to be very interesting. And also the Senate committee from the SEC is being under investigation, which is also interesting. But we knew there was something weird happening with the SEC, how they go after certain crypto and not all crypto. So there's definitely some insider information going on. And also, let's check the Twitter real quick. I think there was XRP something earlier. This is mostly Caspa. Ripple notched a double win at prestigious Future Digital Awards for Firm Tech and Payments in 2023. The award recognized trailblazing companies shaping the future of digital payments. Guess who emerged victorious alongside giants like Amazon, IBM, and Ripple? XRP community speculates best time for XRP to reach 130. 130 is just the beginning. Breaking news, Chase announced they have begun accepting payments in XRP. So I do have another video we're going to check out. Let's check the numbers real quick. Go to the video and then we'll come back. So this is the 4-hour chart. And looks like we had a MACD crossing. We had some volume. We had another cross, and then we're volume's decreasing. So I'm not sure what's going on today, but that's just the information so far. So let me click through this technical analysis video.
So let's go ahead and get straight.
We'll play that, and then we'll come back and look at the rest of the
from my last
charts.
video for XRP. I was looking for the market to go lower, and obviously that was not the case. Price has been slowly trending to the upside. You guys can see it right there. Okay. So currently you can see that my idea of looking for XRP to go down is not accurate. It's not correct. And the first thing we do is we come through and change it. If the market doesn't want to go down in price, then there's only a couple of other directions that it can move. Either can continue to trade within a range, or it's going to go higher in price. So let's go ahead and look at this. And let's clean up this chart, because all these lines is becoming confusing. And that is something that I do not push here on my particular channel. And we're going to get rid of these lines, the ones that are not relevant to the current situation of XRP's price. This area down here around 42 cents, it's not applicable. The market is up there around 52 cents. So why keep that line down there at the bottom? The next line that is not applicable, can you guys see it? It is this downtrend line. Currently, XRP's price is breaking above the downtrend. So apparently this downtrend line is not relevant to the current situation in XRP. So rather than me delete it off of the chart, we're going to show you how price could be trading within the trading range in XRP. So let me bring this down just a little bit. And I think you guys can see where the market resistance is coming in at. Real simple. Just like on August the 29th, price in XRP got rejected here at 55 cents. It did it twice recently, September the 29th, and then again on October the 3rd. That is the resistance area. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to extend over the support area, which is around 48.5 cents. This is where the market buyers are currently buying the price or buying XRP at those lower levels. Now, this trend line, that is something that we need to see continue. We need to see these buyers continue to hold price alongside that trend, because if that's the case, then XRP definitely is on the way to see higher prices. Okay, so let's try to figure that out, if the market and XRP is actually holding on to that particular trend line. So here it is on the 2-day time frame. Selling has occurred into the market in XRP here on this 2-day price bar, and the buyers still are there. The sellers could not push the price down. The market demand is overpowering the weakness or the selling. Even here on this last completed 2 days, sellers still came into the market, but the buyers was able to close the price up there towards high end of the bar. That is pretty good to see. What about on the 3-day chart? Again, it tells us a story. This 3-day price bar represents an influx of selling. You wouldn't expect price in XRP to continue to go lower from that point. But instead, what happened? The market still went higher. So I think the problem that the buyers currently have into the market in XRP is this 55 cents resistance. Don't expect the market in XRP to go higher until it breaks that to the upside. Simple, right? That's the first thing that we need to identify. That's the biggest problem that the buyers have in the market for XRP, is the fact that it needs to break above 55 cents, which we will begin to see those buyers attempt and approach the market again on that trend line. Here it is on the 5-day chart. I think you guys can see a little bit better. 55 cents is the problem. Here it is on the weekly chart. 55 cents is the problem. Now we got 3 days and 14 hours left, but again, that's a problem that we're currently seeing into the market for XRP. 330-minute chart. You guys can see where the sellers currently are. So I think the market right now, as I produce this video, is weak. I do suspect that XRP is going to continue to go lower in price, but this is where I'm focusing to see whether or not those buyers are going to appear. If they do, that's a great point for us to begin to see price lift, to go back up and test 55 cents as resistance. Okay, so let me go ahead and look at this. First of all, let me go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here in the market XRP. If we were to get out the market now, we will be down 5%. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this on the hourly chart. I really want to see how weak the market currently is in XRP. So my attention for entrance of buyers will be around 52 cents. And if not at 52, then it's going to be down here towards this trend line. It's like 51, maybe 50.5 cents. Okay. So let me put this back on the daily chart. I may just sit back and get more information off of the price action in XRP, because I don't see the market price in XRP trying to skyrocket in price right now. It's a very slow and methodical move higher. Okay, I'm not saying that it's going to crash, go down, but instead of like a skyrocket, it's simply just going higher. which is not a negative thing. Like, you would like to see the market just slowly and methodically go up in price. That's what XRP is currently doing now. So I'm going to do this. Let me see. If I were to play some weakness into the market in XRP, looking for it to come to that trend line, it's like 2% move to the downside. I don't think that's worthy of me dropping a price prediction on that alone. So let me leave this alone, and I'm going to see how low price is going to go. I've told you those areas that I'm expecting the buyers to approach, but if they don't, we already know the reason why, and we're going to look for the market to come all the way back down to this area of 50 cents to test. Now, if we do break this trend line, I'm telling you this already, expect the market in XRP to continue to trade within this range. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it alone right here. I'm not going to change anything outside of what we have here. We just got to wait and see what the market does once we approach that trend line. And once we see what happens along that trend line, it'll definitely tell us whether or not the market's going to go up, or are we going to continue to trade range bound if it breaks that trend line to the downside. All right, so that's it. I'm not going to waste your time.
Facebook, as he's saying, XRP has a tough time busting this 0.52 cent, 52.53 cents, which is weird. But for some reason, it just can't get over. Let's zoom. Let's go back to the day chart and zoom out. Yeah, for some reason, it just can't get over. What is this? 54? So where's 52, right? For some reason, it just keeps hovering around this 52 cent mark. So at some point, I suspect we will, and you can see it's uptrending now. So maybe someday, pretty soon, we're going to break through to this 55 mark. That would be on the beginning of the uptrend. Let's check the 4-hour chart. Look at the MACD RSI indicator. Sorry. So yeah, we're trending down, and we need to get back up to at least the 70 range. And it looks like we're starting to go back up, but we'll see. And for the day, XRP is at 0.52, 52 cents. Market cap is 28 billion. Total volume today is 844 million. Volume versus cap is 3%. Last hour, it's up 50.52%. Last 24 hours is down 1.49%. Last 7 days, it's up 4.88%. Last 30 days, it's up 4.5%. Last 90 days, it's up 12.32%. And for the year, it's up 8.99%. Circulating supply is 53.3 billion. Total supply is 99.9 billion. Max supply is 100 billion. Market cap is 52 billion. 24-hour range is 2.96. 24-hour low is 0.052. 24-hour high is 0.53 and 0.52. And we'll check out CoinGecko. Appears something happened with CoinGecko. So on CoinGecko, they're ranked number 5. 0.52 down 1.4%. Bitcoin's down 3.3%. Market cap is 28 billion. Circular supply is 53.3 billion. Total supply is 99.9 billion. Max supply is 100 billion. Fully diluted valuation is 52.5 billion. 24-hour trading volume is 950 million. Then we'll look at the 24-hour low and high. 24-hour low is 0.521. 24-hour high is 0.538. 7-day low is 0.504. And high is 0.53. Trading volume is 972 million. All-time high is $3.40. So we're down 84.53% from the all-time high. And that was 5 years ago at January 7th, 2018. All-time low is 0.0268. And that's up 19,000%. And that was May 22, 2014. And CoinMarketCap saying 0.52, down 0.06%. Market cap is 28 billion. Trading volume is 1 billion. Circuit supply is 53.3 billion. Total supply is 100 billion. And fully diluted market cap is 52.6 billion. And see if there's any new news. Looks like they're still talking about Ripple could soon celebrate breaking the $2 barrier. Would be nice. Ripple wins against Gary Gessner. SEC gets denied by George Torres. Predicts a price spike up 6%. Suddenly $1 coming. XRP price gains strongly today, rising by as much as 6%. Dominates trade. I think I talked about that yesterday. XRP price prediction secures license in Singapore. And I guess that's all the news so far. So let me know what you think. You guys have any ideas, comments? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that like button. Let's get this video going. And let me know what you guys think about XRP. Like it, don't like it. If you're with the XRP army or any other XRP related news. This is Black Tiger Miner signing out. And let's get back to the money, guys.